Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download credit report from Experian UK. So first, you may want to head over to Experian's webpage. From there, make sure that you're logged into your account. For you to be able to download or print your full credit report, apparently you're going to need to subscribe to a subscription that is named Credit Expert that will cost you 14.99 euros a month. This subscription or plan include printing and downloading your credit report feature, so you're going to need to avail this subscription. You can enjoy this subscription for free for 30 days, and during the free trial period, you will be able to print and download a copy of your credit report. So once you're logged into your account, in the summary page, just scroll down until you get to your credit account summary section. And from there, just click on See Your Full Credit Report button. Then in the credit report page, once again, scroll down until you get to need a copy of your credit report. And from there, all you have to do is click on print or save your credit report. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!